So next up here, we're determining whether the function has an inverse function. Our function is f of x is 1 minus x to the fifth. If it does, find the inverse. If it doesn't, just enter does not exist. So here I graph the function in Desmos, and what we can see is that this function passes the horizontal line test. Any horizontal line that you draw hits the graph at only one point. And here it looks like it might hit it at more than one, but it doesn't. It's just that one point on the y-axis. So it passes horizontal line test, so it does have an inverse. So it passes horizontal line test. So that tells us that f inverse exists. And now to find that inverse, we'll start with our function here. Y is equal to 1 minus x to the fifth. We'll switch the x and y variables. So x is equal to 1 minus y to the fifth. And now solve for y. So we want to get this 1 over on the left-hand side, so we'll subtract 1 from both sides. So that comes over as a negative 1. Equals negative y to the fifth. And then let's multiply both sides by negative 1 to get rid of this negative. So negative 1 on the left, and then negative 1 on the right. So that leaves us now with 1 minus x on the left, right? Negative x, positive 1. And y to the fifth, positive on the right-hand side. And then you undo a fifth power by taking fifth roots on both sides. So fifth root of 1 minus x will equal the fifth root of y to the fifth. And then this fifth power and the fifth root cancel out. So I just get y equals fifth root 1 minus x. And that is our f inverse of x.